Another option for creating your website would be to use WebLab, which is code.org. It's brand new. It's still in beta. HTML project page. So what you could do if you want, so you follow the link on the in the OneNote to get up here. You'd have to log in. You can use the same thing as you did. Create, make a web page. Alright, so I'm going to say create new because I was already fooling around here. So create a new one. It already sets you up with with an HTML with the style sheet. It's not called main in this case, it's called style. You can, I wonder if you can rename it. You can you can rename it main if you want, or you can just leave it style. Once again, it doesn't matter as long as it's the right, you use the right link. In this one, it starts out with an index page and a style page. If you did it, you can either just do exactly what I showed you before from Grok and do it in here, or you can do it in Grok and then paste it in here if you want. So if I was going to do that, I would add an HTML page, and my HTML page, I'm going to rename it. I had called it page 2 in the other one, and I had also called this main.css. So if I went back into Grok, let me find Grok here, and I took, this is my index page, and I just copied this into, this is my index page. Okay, you've got that, and then I can go to my page 2 in Grok and copy that into page 2. And then for the main CSS page, same thing. I'm going to take that out and go back to Grok. Well, the only thing I have in there is that one. Copy. Okay. And now if I go to my main page, here I can get to page 2, here I can get back to page 1. So you can see it. This may be, you might feel more comfortable. This is kind of a more comfortable layout to work in if you want to do that. I didn't show you this in Grok actually. I should have, about adding images. Same thing. You can add an image page here by clicking there, and you can upload a file. So this is actually pretty easy because you're going to have to be doing that as well. In Grok, to add an image, it's the same thing though. You'd have to click and add a new file. And if it's an image file, whatever it is, testjud JPG, it's going to ask you to upload it. So that's how you do that in Grok as well. So hopefully everybody's going to watch all these videos. I'll try to have everybody do it. But you can title your project. The cool thing about doing it in this code.org one is that you can share it to somebody's phone, same way as you could do that in AppLab. Code.org has some really great ways to work. So you can share, or once again you can remix others. I don't know if there's any other web page you can remix, but it's up to you whichever way you want to do this. You can either use Grok, or you can use this code.org. Let me know if you have any questions. I've never tried it fully. Actually, it's the first time I'm doing it in either one. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll figure out the answers together.